Hi, I'm Chuck Potter with the Hoof Cinch Company, and we have a new designed hoof cinch. It's made from rubber, and it's designed for your minis, ponies, and standard horses who have reoccurring cases of laminitis and founder. These are the horses that may have EMS or Cushing's disease, and every spring and fall they get a little stiff or sore. These new hoof cinches, they help them get through that period. It helps reduce the pain of that laminitis during that period. Of course, you'll need to check with your vet on your medication increases or your diet control for those horses as well. So I'm going to show you how to put these on. They're pretty simple. It can get hard if the horse is moving around. Sometimes you got to sedate if they're not used to the drill, that kind of stuff. We're going to use a wood foot just to make this simpler for you to see what's going on. So we have in the kit, it comes with 2 rubber pieces that are already set up to go on the foot and 2 PLA pieces. Now the PLA pieces, they go towards the outside on the horse's foot, so that way they can't step on these and break them because they are PLA, which is a high density plastic. The rubber parts are all set up with screws in the places that they'll need to go. So these go on the inside. So I already screwed one onto the outside or the lateral part of the horse's hoof. It's just one screw, goes in quick, and then you go, and you can do this either way. You can put this rubber piece on first, then that. It doesn't really matter. But let me see if I can do this without the foot moving on me here. I got hold of it there. So it goes on like that. And then once this is screwed on and you have your outside screwed on, you simply pull this around and clip it on to that little clip there on the side. And I'll turn that so you can see. And there's different slots in here. So if you're on a miniature horse or something that's smaller, and then these things, they're not like the standard hoof cinches where we go way back here towards the heels. They're about halfway up the foot. Between the bulbs and the toe, we're about halfway up for a standard horse. On a mini, they're going to go heel to heel. But you do have sections in here, so if I needed it tighter, I would try to get it to the second position on the band. But for most standard horses, you just go to the first slot there. Then you can adjust where the band is. You want it below the coronary band on the front of the foot. And then there's a screw on here. It's a hold down tab. And then that goes in, and all that does is keep the rubber band from going up into the hairline. These stick to the hoof pretty good, so it's usually not a problem, but a lot of horses with these problems have some distorted hooves, and you might have a problem. So these are just a safety issue, safety item here. But you can see it only takes 3 screws and a few seconds to put these on. Like I say, if your horse doesn't like the sound of the drill or the pressure you pushing on that to put the screw in, then you can sedate them. This is all very simple. And so if you do have problems, we're always a phone call away, and we're happy to help you.